Namaste. In the last video, we understood Samprajnata Samadhi, where awareness is still associated with object, bliss, or even the sense of I am. Today, Patanjali takes us one step deeper, a state where there is no object, no symbol, no mantra, no thought to hold on to. Yet something still remains. This sutra talks about Asamprajnata Samadhi, a state that is often misunderstood as blankness or unconsciousness. But it is neither sleep nor void. Let us understand this very carefully. Viramapratyayabhyasapurvah Samskaraseso'nyah, meaning the other Samadhi, Asamprajnata Samadhi, is preceded by continuous practice of stopping the content of mind. In this state, only sanskar remain. This one sutra holds years of inner journey. Many people think Asamprajnata Samadhi means Nirbeeja Samadhi. That is incorrect. Patanjali is very clear. Samprajnata Samadhi, sabij, with seed. Asamprajnata Samadhi, also sabij. Nirbeeja Samadhi is beyond both. So, Asamprajnata is not the final state. It is transitional, in-between state. Very important to understand. What does Pratyaya means? Pratyaya means content of mind. Whenever you meditate on a mantra, a chakra, breath, light, Guru's form, a symbol like Om or Shivling, that support is called Pratyaya. The mind needs something to rest on. The idea that no symbol is needed is a philosophical misunderstanding. For practice, some support is essential. Let us simplify this. In Samprajnata Samadhi, awareness is present and the object is present. You know what you are meditating on. In Asamprajnata Samadhi, awareness of object drops, but awareness itself does not die. Only sanskar remains. This dropping of the object is called Virama Pratyaya, stopping of the content of mind. But listen carefully. Absence of object does not mean absence of consciousness. What actually happens in Asamprajnata? When Pratyaya drops, the mind enters a state of lay, a kind of absorption, like a deep pause. Externally, it may look like nothing is happening, but internally there is an intense dynamism. This dynamism is called sanskar. Sanskar is often translated as past impression, latent impression, but this is incomplete. Sanskar is the seed of consciousness itself. Even when thoughts stop, objects stop, symbols stop, this seed energy continues to operate. That is why one can come back from Samadhi. One can fall down again into Dhyana or even distraction. Patanjali explains something beautifully here. Every stage of Samprajnata Samadhi is followed by Asamprajnata. Vitark Samprajnata is followed by Asamprajnata. Vichar Samprajnata, Asamprajnata. Anand Samprajnata, again Asamprajnata. Asmita Samprajnata, again Asamprajnata. And finally, Asmita Samprajnata leads to Nirbeeja Samadhi. So, Asamprajnata is like a pause between two breaths, a bridge between two worlds, a silent elevator moving between floors. Can one fall back from Asamprajnata? Yes, very clearly yes. From this state, you may go deeper, or you may come back to Dhyana, or even to Dharana, or even distraction. This is why Patanjali emphasizes Abhyasa again and again. Without practice, this state cannot stabilize. When you enter Vitark Samadhi, personal willpower stops, ego effort stops. The journey is now carried by Sanskar Shakti. This same force takes you forward or pulls you back. That is why humility is essential in spiritual life. This is very important. Asamprajnata Samadhi is temporary, is intermediate, is unstable. It is like getting off one vehicle, waiting, boarding another. It is not the destination. Then what is Nirbeeja Samadhi? Nirbeeja Samadhi has no sanskar, no vibration, no motion, no awareness, no consciousness as we know it. It is pure stillness. Asamprajnata still has seed. Nirbeej has no seed at all. Patanjali gives a silent instruction here. Never drop your symbol intentionally, whether mantra, form, chakra, guru or breath. Let it drop naturally through depth. Forcing objectlessness is dangerous. Asamprajnata comes by itself, not by effort. So remember, Asamprajnata Samadhi is objectless but not empty, silent but dynamic, transitional but sacred. It is a threshold of the unknown. In the next video, Patanjali will take us even deeper towards seedless awareness. Till then, practice with patience, humility and devotion. Namaste.